Shout out to Nadula for sponsoring today's video. Y'all, this is their chestnut brown ombre straight unit. Y'all, I love it. I love it. So you guys can wear it straight. As I showed you guys, you can clip it up. You can put a curl in it. You can wear it in a ponytail, half up, half down, whatever. Yeah, it's very versatile. I just love the color. This color is gorgeous. The lace is 7x5. It is a pre-everything unit. It does have the adjustable drawstring in the back, so you guys can make this wig tighter or looser. It also has the band on the inside, the combs on the inside. This wig ain't going nowhere. Even though it's glueless, the wig ain't going nowhere, okay? I mean, just beautiful. Beautiful, gorgeous. Look at the color in the light. Do y'all see that? Look at that color. I mean, perfect for any skin tone. You guys check out Nadula. You guys know they will never, ever, ever steer you wrong. The hair is gorgeous. I absolutely love this. This is the finished look of this hair. Check out the site. Don't forget to use the coupon code to save a little bit of coin and get you guys a beautiful ombre straight unit. Make sure it's this one. Make sure it's this one, this Yaki one, because it's gonna look like almost like your real hair girl, okay? I mean, y'all can't tell me I ain't cute, okay?